In South Africa, where work is scarce, potential is not.
Across our country, there are hands that know how to grow.
Hands that know how to make. Hands that know how to create something beautiful from almost nothing.
Earthborn Growers Marketplace is a South African online market designed to give those hands a helping hand.
A marketplace for everyday South Africans who refuse to wait for opportunity and choose to grow it.
Earthborn, because in South Africa, we are not waiting for work, we are growing it.
Become a grower today. Get your free stall at South Africa's fast-growing online marketplace.